Are you ready for the results?
You're my creator, you know my size.
Raise your hand if you're proud to be Jamaican. I must dance if you're proud to be Jamaican. Fly your flag if you're proud to be Jamaican. We come together cause Jamaica is a big granny. We're legendary.
What a little island. Oh, what a joy we feel. The breeze sweet. A reggae music and dance allow we comfort. What a little island. Oh, a beer vibes on the beach. Just a little dance on the. Let's go.
It's festival time again, yeah. Ba-ba-di bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum bum ba-dum bum. It's all about Jamaica, Bimmy Island, oh. No matter where I go, back to my land I go.
Yeah, all my Jamaican people, if we come together, things are nice and easy, but we strong together. Jam rock a place of beauty and we under fire, so we no worry about a thing. But Marley said, all my Jamaican people, come together. Things are nice and easy, but we strong together. Jam rock a place of beauty and we under fire, so we no worry about a thing. About Marley said,
we've come a long way, standing in a strong way. You know why? We never give up on God, cause him not give up on we. Out of many we are one, one nation, one family. We activate rising faith and joyfully celebrate one JCDC.
We have the flag. Wame, wamba Jamaica. Gimme, but Jamaica. I mean, I want too much culture. Can up of them a come in like a. We say me wame, wamba Jamaica. Want me son, want back me daughter. For the minute for a major disaster. Wame.
3 finalists left. And guess what? I know they're not nervous. Are you ready for more? You ready?
Yes, I am a proud Jamaican. To run come experiences paradise. As the reggae start play, you will hear with rice. Big and sausage with peas and rice. So you can't tell me nothing man Jamaican guys. You take a good look, listen to me now. Come from a better Jamaica. We gotta love each other. Welcome to reggae country. I bet you love why you come see. Come share this irie energy. Cause we are one family.
Come on Jamaican, make we sing along. We are Jamaican, and we are champions. Sweet, sweet Jamaican, and we are African, permanently Gideon. Come on Jamaican, make we sing along. We are Jamaican, and we are champions. Sweet, sweet Jamaican, and we are African. Together our best way.
The results are in. We want to make you know that first result that I have is a best performer. Make some noise for Candy Isaacs! In third place, make welcome on stage the lady who live a whole heap of places. From St. Thomas to Clarendon, Sister Noble! Sister Noble! Congratulations! Chase Funway, thank you for your support. You look good, Mr. Heavy. You look like money. I'm glad you're giving away some too. Trish Mack!
And the winner for this year's 2024 JCDC Festival Song Competition, making history, a lot of history. Year of Inclusion, Candy Isaac. Visually impaired, but cannot be denied. You don't need eyes to see. You need talent. Congratulations.
It feels great. It's an awesome feeling.
We never give up on God, cause Him not give up on we. Out of many we are one nation, one family. We activate rising faith and joyfully celebrate one day.
I want to congratulate Candy Isaacs. You know, there were 6 women in this year's competition, and 3 women took the top prizes. So I'm really impressed. The men did well too, but the women took it all. And I really want to congratulate them. All the songs were good songs.